Understanding beef brisket, an English language feast. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a savory topic that you may have encountered on menus or during your culinary adventures. We're going to unwrap the meaning of the phrase, beef brisket. So, let's get cooking with our language skills. Beef brisket is a cut of meat from the breast or lower chest of beef or veal. The brisket is one of the 9 beef primal cuts, though the precise definition of the cut differs internationally. Rich in flavor, it's a popular choice for slow cooking methods like braising, smoking, or barbecue. Brisket is celebrated in many cuisines around the globe. In the United States, it's a barbecue staple, especially in Texas. In Jewish cooking, it's often braised as a pot roast, especially during holidays. The versatility of brisket allows it to be the star of many recipes, making it a term worth knowing for food lovers. When exploring English culinary terms, it's essential to understand the context in which they're used. Beef brisket often appears in recipes, cooking shows, and restaurant menus. Knowing these terms not only helps in following recipes but also enriches your dining experiences and conversations about food. The pronunciation of beef brisket is straightforward, with emphasis on the first syllable of brisket. Practice saying it a few times. Beef brisket. Clear pronunciation will help you when ordering this dish or discussing it with friends. And there you have it, a tasty morsel of knowledge about beef brisket to savor in your English language journey. We hope you found this video flavorful and informative. Happy learning, and may your future conversations be as rich and delightful as a well-cooked brisket.